Well, we're in another basement. This one the water is just starting to come in along the outside wall, which has been typical out here at the dunes. But we're a little advantage here. We're going to be able to catch this one before it gets all over the floor. So we're going to cut a hole right there in the corner, put in a sump, and pick that water up before it starts coming up onto the floor. We're going to put another pump over in this corner, so this basement will have 2 pumps running, and that should be enough to keep this one dry. Well, we got it all done, and it's pumping. And the water's already disappeared along the edge. We were going to put 2 pumps in this house, but I think now we can just get by with one. One seems to be handling this more than adequately, so it's just slowly running in there. So some of them run up to every 20 seconds. This one's running every couple minutes.